Hi, welcome back to Low Super Duper Toy Review. So today we're going to be testing Nickelodeon slime, and I actually have played with this slime a lot, so that's why it's not that stretchy. It's kind of old, but I love it. It pokes a lot. So amazing. So, I love Nickelodeon slime. I totally recommend it. I found mine at Walmart, and I forgot how much it was because I bought it a long time ago. But it's like, I think it was like $9, but I would recommend buying the big one because if you bought, mine was a 3-pack of slimes, like this big, that big. Like, look how big those slimes are. But mine was that big, only for like $9, but the other ones were like $5. The tiny ones were like $5. If I bought 3 of those, I would spend like $15. Buy the bigger one, it's better. So, I'm just gonna be testing this out, and yeah. So let's get on with the video. I told you it's not that easy. Let's get on with the video. So, I love this slime because it makes wonderful bubbles. It makes wonderful bubbles. And if you watch Just Mira, you'll know that she calls pokes, pocolos, and like bubbles when they pop crackle-lackles, which I really like. So yeah. It does pokes really well, and it's pretty much like homemade slime. Like I said in my last video, the orb slime is very stretchy, but it's a really weird texture. I love orb slime, but it's a really weird texture. Like really weird. Like it's almost like jiggly slime. I don't know if you know like that jiggly slime. I bet you do. I don't know about it's almost like a mixture of the jiggly slime that doesn't stretch at all and homemade slime. It's amazing. Like, I like jiggly slime, but I love homemade slime. And then put together is like the best. If you agree with me, then keep watching. Okay? So, I just love slime. I think it's amazing, and it's so stretchy and amazing. So, and there's about 3 different colors in mine. There's 3 different colors in mine. There's orange, purple, and pink. So yeah. And just so you know, I do toy reviews. It's not all slime reviews. I do toy reviews. So I don't always do slime reviews. Sometimes I do, well, most of the time I do toy reviews. But so far I've only done slime reviews. So, yeah. So I've done the orb slime. So, and that cute banana. So, and this is the Nickelodeon slime. So, yeah, I hope you love it as much as I do. I'm going to put it back, and then I'm going to show you a different one. So, I've been letting the pink one, which is my second favorite one, clear up. So, there's an orange one and a pink one. Here's all of them. So, I played with the pink one a lot, so that's why there's barely any of it. So, look how pretty it is. Let me just show you that. Look how pretty that is and cleared up, sorry. Look how pretty. Yeah, it's so pretty, like slime twirls. So, I'm gonna call this slime twirls because look at this. Sorry. So, I like to do this. So, slime twirl. Slime twirl. And then I like to catch it and do a poop. If you don't know what that is, you pretty much just make a unicorn poop with your slime. So, yeah. And I love unicorns. So, yeah. There it is. So, let me show you. Okay, I love doing this. I don't know why, but I do. So you make a bubble. It's kind of hard when your slime is really old. So I did it. To take the part with the bubbles off, then you make a unicorn poop with it. Then, ready? That is so satisfying. Not like, it's very satisfying. Oh, and I just wanted to show you this tape dispenser. Like, look, so it has rainbow tape in there. And what you do is you take the rainbow tape, almost like a tail, and it goes off right here. It goes off like the tail, if you didn't realize that. It's not anything else, it's just a tail. So, I just love slime. Like, oh, and it looks way more neon than it actually is in the camera. Well, it is neon, but it's not that neon. Like, in the camera, it looks almost orangey pink, like really neon, but it's not actually that neon. So, it's not that neon. It's more of like a purpley color. It's not actually that neon. So, yeah. So, I will be doing, toy reviews, like with my Pomsy, Disco, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy all my videos that I've been doing, and please subscribe because I really need it. I have 0 subscribers because this is my second video, and please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and like this video, and yeah, so bye.